In this video, I'll show you how you can download League of Legends. Now first what you want to do is simply go to Google and type in League of Legends download. Choose the League of Legends download right here. And from in here what you want to do is download for either your Windows or for your MacBook. Now simply press download for which one you want and you'll get a download up here. Now wait for this to install real quick, and then once it's done you can open it and it's gonna open up the right installer. Now give it access. If it pops up, just give it administrator access and you will have this one. From in here what you can do is you can go to advanced options and select which folder you want the Riot Games League of Legends to be in. Simply press install and League of Legends will install. Now there's not really much more to it. Once you press install and you can open up League of Legends is gonna install itself from the new client that you just installed, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.